Hello, and welcome back. In this video series, now that we have built the e-commerce store, let's see how to use it inside Facebook Messenger. You can integrate this store anywhere in the bot and leverage the bot to sell your products directly inside Facebook Messenger. Let's see how to do that. From the Salesbot dashboard, click on Bot Manager, then select the Facebook page for which you want to create the bot. Next, click on Create New Flow to open the Visual Flow Builder. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow to initiate your bot design. Enter the key phrase that will trigger the bot, selecting either an exact keyword match or a string match. Enter the title of your bot and click Done to continue with the bot creation. Now, let's design the interaction. Select the text component and add your engaging text content. Next, choose an action button type. Here, we'll use a card generic template to create a visually appealing interaction. Double-click on the card template to configure it. Here, you can add an image, a compelling title, and a subtitle to your template. Open the action button, add a button text that entices clicks, and select the button type as WebViewFull. Head over to your e-commerce store, copy the main store URL, and paste it. And click on Save to save your bot. Now let's check if everything is working as expected. Users should be able to add products to their cart and proceed to checkout smoothly directly from inside Facebook Messenger. And this is how you can create an integrated e-commerce store inside Facebook Messenger using Salesbot. Remember to watch the entire video series on e-commerce for more insights. Thank you for watching.